In front of us here sits the box, JBL PartyBox 110 by Harmen. And this is a Bluetooth speaker.
And all I can think about right now is getting this party animal unboxed.
And there it is, folks, the life of the party. And I can't wait to do our sound test. But first, let's talk about some of the key features, shall we? And here is the start guide at a glance. You're welcome. Now, on the outside, the party lights, they sync to the beat. And if you combine that with 12 hours of playtime, you can take your party from day until night. Now that's lit. Yeah! And if it rains on your party, no big deal. It is fully splash proof. Now, right here, you got bass boost, which provides 2 levels of deep bass. And we'll test this out during our sound test. And if you want to be the life of the party yourself, on the back, you can see right there, there's a mic and guitar input. If you want a bigger and bolder sound, you can pair a second speaker through the app. Right here, you can see connect compatible speakers wirelessly via TWS, true wireless stereo, using Bluetooth connection up to 2 speakers. All right. So let's see if we can find that within the app. Bluetooth, there it is right there, wireless. So it's that simple, guys. Also with the app, I mean, you can obviously play your music. You got an equalizer, bass boost, and I found this is actually really cool. DJ sound. Check this out. You got all these sound effects. Scratch 3. Barking. It's a nice boo.
Those were a ton of exciting features. And I know, I can hear you, but we still don't know how it sounds. Well.
Whoa, it is. Whoa, I wanna get wild tonight. Yeah, woman, we're ready for the party. Whoa,
I hate that.
Spring break 2002, I was hypnotized by the view. I ain't never seen a girl like you. Did you jump in the pool and watch your hair? Them water droplets are everywhere. They're on your face and on your chair, between your legs. I like to stare, but enough of that, man. Staring's rude. Mama never raised that kind of dude, so I approach it slow. I didn't intrude.
Overall, whether you're outdoors or indoors, rest assured your party box will be a hit. And with 2 levels of deep bass and 160 watts of power, the PartyBox 110 by JBL definitely has your back.